but air quality comes from the activities which we do daily. On a macro level, we have the challenge of unpaved roads. You are aware that currently, out of the 2,104 kilometers of road in Kampala, 770 are fully paved. So we still have a gap of roads which are not paved. And from such roads, you have dust rising into the air. We are having efforts to pave most of the roads in Kampala, and these efforts should be deliberate if our people are to breathe a dust-free air. The other one is biomass energy use in households. Our peer talked about cooking using firewood, using charcoal, and the smoke that comes with it. All of that is polluting our environment and it is affecting the air, which is being consumed by the people in those households. We have the exhaust and non-exhaust emissions from vehicles, from industry activities, and open air burning of waste. Traditionally, we know that people find open air burning of waste as a cheaper alternative to waste disposal, but it is one of the killer, it is one of the activities which are contributing to bad air quality. And we are telling the public it's not very expensive to pay the waste collectors, keep your waste separated, let the collectors find it, and take it to a designated dump site. We don't have activities. That and others, coupled with the city growing population.
And of course, the city leaders and elected officers to actually take action and interventions to prevent it. We believe that by aligning efforts data with public health goals, we are contributing to better health outcomes, supporting the city's efforts to reduce the non-communicable disease burden and all the needs that our communities. We believe that the lessons of exchanges and partner colleagues from Kcca will not only strengthen collaboration between Kampala and Dhaka, but also contribute to global action for improving air quality. Not simply that improve air quality, we all need to collaborate. Kampala might be improving air quality, but if the neighboring cities are not taking action, we will not be able to realize.
Invited our program to place 25 to 27 November. From the NCC, the two members came here by the strategies, South Asian Unity and also the Asia Arab Deputy Director, Mr. Joseph, who are providing technical support under the NCC by the strategies and also with us. Actually, this was like the first visit to an African country in the world hospitality and cooperation visit in Kampala and they to perform impression to us. We extend our sincere respect, love from Bangadesh to the wonderful people of Uganda. We really admire the hospitality, good cooperation, and everything is extended to us. Throughout the visit, we had the opportunity to observe the detail how we are conditionally managed in Uganda, particularly in Kcca. Kcca respected officials openly share their challenges, ongoing activities, and institutional priorities. We found many similarities between their context and our own in Dhaka, which made Kampala an excellent choice for an international learning exchange. First day we visited the Bangadesh University. It was actually very I mean, it's a, it feel very impressed to see the university airport. We have actually we have also installed the